Hello, hockey fans. This is Craig Simpson with Jim Houston.
Welcome to Game 4 of the Eastern Conference quarterfinal between the Colorado Avalanche and the Columbus Blue Jackets. Bosheman takes possession of the puck. Bobrovsky hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to Colorado. Blocked. Bobrovsky freezes the puck. Foligno. Campbell gets a hold of it. Clarkson gets shoved. Holden finds the loose puck. Clarkson shoots it. Colorado now with it. Campbell gets checked. Murray with the puck. Clarkson. Columbus scooped it up. Over the blue line. Johnson takes possession of the puck. Septorov. Twist shot from the wing. Blocked. Hartnell jumps on the loose puck. Skilly pushes Dubinsky. Dubinsky scoops up the loose puck. Berry pushes him.
He's playing like he owns the place.
Winberg. Quick pass up. McKinnon takes control of the puck. Iginla dumps it in. Croft in control now. Winberg. He dumps it in to Eric Johnson. Takes control. Winberg picks it off. Fires. Varlamov gets a leg on it. Houghton. He grabs the puck. Calder. Landeskog gets it. Jack Johnson. Jumped off by Colorado. Jarome Iginla. Into the attacking zone. He's away. Carlson finds the loose puck. Houghton has it. Murray gobbles it up. McLeod dumps it. Scooped up by Columbus. Calvert.
5-3.
Last one. Varlamov stabs at it. Ahead to the neutral zone. Advances the puck. Working along the perimeter. Como gets the shot off. Up along the boards. Winberg shoots. Varlamov makes the big glove save. Savard with the puck. Gets the shot off. He gets in the way. Winberg jumps on the loose puck. Hartnell. Taken out.
He stepped into his man perfectly.
Dubinsky gets the loose puck. Colorado puts its checking line out. Hartnell knocks the puck loose. Mitchell grabbed it. Delayed penalty coming up. Clarkson gets called for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Colorado will go on the power play.
This is where they need to turn up the heat. They can mount a few odd man rushes. They might be able to do some damage.
Wrist shot. Bobrovsky gets a pad on it. Moved up. Colorado puts its number 2 power play unit out. Jarome Iginla. Over the blue line. Shoved. With a wrist shot. Iginla misses the net. Over the line. Berry. Backhand from the left. Blocked. Shoots quickly. Iginla. Hartnell gives him the business.
I don't know how he took that one.
Jenner finds the loose puck. McKinnon. Shoved.
Jim, you can't draw it up any better.
Hartnell moved across. Bitker takes possession of the puck. Jack Johnson gets pushed.
Change up.
Savard gets the loose puck. Dubinsky grabbed it. Bosheman has it. Dubinsky backhands it. Iginla picked it up. Ahead to the neutral zone. Clarkson will rejoin the play. He's finished his sentence in the sin bin. Out over the blue line. The Avalanche dumped the puck in. Bosheman scoops it up. Como. Bosheman shoots quickly. Leg save by Bobrovsky. Mitchell grabs the puck.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Mitchell gets a hold of it.
The first period is over and now comes a critical time in the game. First intermission. This is when coaches adjust their strategies and get their players to correct any first period mistakes.
Welcome back to the second period.
That's been a close game so far. Let's look for both teams to try to open things up.
Moved ahead. McLeod fires it! Out of their defensive end. Quick pass up. Columbus dumps the puck in. Matthias moved up. Savard shoves McLeod. Advances the puck. McLeod grabs the puck. Wrist shot. Bobrovsky gets a pad on it. Savard gets the pass from Bobrovsky. Hartnell with the puck. Offside. The action's about to start. Dubinsky won the faceoff. Eric Johnson knocks him off the puck. Dubinsky got it. Colorado picks it off. Landeskog. Backhanded shot. Johnson stops the shot. He takes it back. Moved ahead. Through center. Columbus dumps the puck in. Colorado finds it. Atkinson pushes Bosheman, centers it. Murray takes possession of the puck.
Line 3!
Palmer gets checked. Atkinson gets the loose puck.
Line 3, get up there!
Jones grabs it. Carlson took it. Blocked. Advances the puck. Through center. Delayed call. Carlson has been nailed for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. That means 2 minutes in the box.
Colorado has a one-man advantage and they'll want to exploit it.
Expect them to turn their game up a notch.
Carlson, 2 minutes for hooking.
Duchesne with a wrist shot. Bobrovsky turned the shot away. Brings it out. Over the line. Working along the perimeter. Clarkson shoots. Johnson with the puck. Out of their defensive end. Wrist shot. Bobrovsky. Great save.
The shooter comes up empty.
Jenner jumps on the loose puck. Skilly. Over the blue line. Breakaway with a wrist shot. Bobrovsky denied him. Hartnell takes control of the puck. McKinnon shoots it. Bobrovsky stones him. Skilly blasts Hartnell. Bobrovsky gets a leg on it. Pass to him. McKinnon intercepts the pass. Saved by Bobrovsky. Buried. Carlson steps back onto the ice, meaning we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. Out over the blue line.
Line 2!
Clarkson with the puck. Skilly shoves him. He scoops up the loose puck. He hits Murray.
Nice timing on that one.
Moved ahead. Jones. He takes possession of the puck. The Avalanche dump it in. Como scooped it up. Great glove save by Bobrovsky. Skilly moved up. Advances the puck. Shoots the puck. Bobrovsky stabbed at it. Moved ahead. Columbus needs to be making a line change soon. Centered over the line. Como gets shoved. Clarkson gets hold of the puck. Soderberg. Bobrovsky stacks him up. Clarkson takes control of the puck. Mitchell. Columbus in control now. Como gets pushed. Murray gets the loose puck. The Blue Jackets stump it. Grabbed by Colorado. Iginla grabbed it. Backhand shot from along the boards. Atkinson. Columbus grabbed it. Shooting. Atkinson turns it over. Grigorenko. Through center. Colorado dumps the puck in. Dubinsky. Columbus puts its third line out. Passed ahead.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Columbus dumps the puck in. And they get called for icing. They're getting ready for the face-off. Jenner jumps on the loose puck.
For the AINHL Breakout Tour. If you're interested, check out the sign-up booth in the concourse.
We're just about to start the third period.
Jim, in a game this close, you probably won't see either team take too many chances.
Sotherov. In over the line. Move back. Bobrovsky gets the blocker on it. Jenner gets the pass from Bobrovsky. And out they come with a puck. Jenner fires! Barry with the puck. Winberg. Varlamov made the leg save. Sotherov. Hartnell advances the puck. The Blue Jackets stump the puck in. Colorado takes it. Landeskog. Colorado has it now. Landeskog picked off by Columbus. Winberg picked it up. Dubinsky gets it. Over center ice. Shoved. He dumps the puck in. Colorado got it. Como. Colorado takes control. Mitchell now with it. Backhanded shot from the right. Mitchell picked it up. Como shoves Atkinson.
He wasn't letting him get by, not that time.
Atkinson. Sotherov scoops up the loose puck. Barry. Corralled by Columbus. Foligno. Clarkson. He gets laid out. Here we go. They're ready to square off.
Well, both these players have had enough, and this is the result. They were trying, but no deciding blows were landed in that one. I'd call it a draw.
The faceoff goes to the Avalanche.
Jack Kelly,
Jones jumps on the loose puck. Carlson moved down.
That was a nice one.
Jones steals the pass. Columbus dumps the puck in. Landeskog. And that's icing. Duchesne has a blistering shot.
That's his strength, all right. The puck comes so fast, the goalie has no time to react.
Holden with the puck. Saad. Savard takes it. Croft gets shoved. Jenner gets the loose puck. The Avalanche dump it in. Como has it. Soderberg, wrist shot, blocked, played up. Columbus dumps the puck in. Savard with it now. Carlson Over the line. Working along the perimeter. He gets rubbed off the puck. Holden scooped it up. He takes it back. Moved ahead. Grigorenko. He dumps the puck in. He's done an outstanding job in the net.
When your goalie plays the way he has, it gives the whole team a boost of confidence.
It's definitely been a team effort on defense.
I think the goalie's been good, but he's definitely had some help.
Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. The ref is ready to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to the Blue Jackets. Sephiroth gets in the way. Foligno jumps on the loose puck. Murray with a wrist shot. Varlamov, great save.
That had the looks of a goal, but he shut him down.
Moved up. Skilly. He scores!
A snap of the wrist, and it's right up there. What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
They've got one and wouldn't mind adding another.
That might be asking a little much against this defense, but why not? They definitely have the momentum.
Rings it out. Advances the puck. Houghton takes possession of the puck. Hitchinson gets laid out. Quick pass up. Houghton grabs the puck. Johnson corrals it. That's icing. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. The face-off goes to Colorado. McKinnon gives it away. Sephiroth gets it. Jenner checks. Skilly with the puck. Wenberg. Columbus pulls the goalie and puts out the extra attacker.
Things are heating up. Let's see if they can pull it off.
Saad jumps on the loose puck. Varlamov has had a lot of help keeping the puck out.
Well, if he gets the shutout,
Empty netter.
that goal will put the icing on the cake in this one. They took their chance, but came up empty this time.
That appears to have eased the tension.
I don't think the last few seconds will be quite as exciting.
Varlamov made the save. Wrist shot, leg save.
He did an excellent job of using his pads to keep the puck out of the net.
McLeod with a wrist shot. Saved by Bobrovsky. Johnson, wrist shot. Houghton stops the shot. McLeod takes control of the puck. Boscheman gets laid out to Eric Johnson. Offside, Colorado. About to drop the puck. Como knocks the puck loose. Soderberg shoots it quickly. Jones gets hit. Clarkson with the puck. Campbell has it. Varlamov stoned him cold. And that ends this one. Columbus had high hopes for this one, but they came up short.
At least they're not behind in this series.
Tonight's third star, Colorado #1, Simon Varlamov. Tonight's second star for Colorado, #29, Nathan McKinnon.
From Columbus, Ohio, quite a town that's been host to quite a game. I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. We'll see you next time.